really turn this thing, can we? Looks perfect. You should see the before picture. I'm drying it now, curing the blade in linseed oil. Give it that really nice. You're actually looking at burn scars used with a plumber's torch. I don't know if I could get it hot enough to do it, but it looks like it did a pretty good job. I see some very dark streaks in there. This is what it looked like before I started. And this is a newer axe given to me by my brother. And I polished it up completely. I mean, there's no scrapes, no signs of any issues there. And waiting its current dip into linseed oil, and it also has its burn scars. Just added today. Getting ready to be cured in epoxy tomorrow. So, thanks for watching. Here's the newly refinished axe that is over 65 years old, probably, maybe even older. Just went through the whole burn process. Now getting ready for its stain. Stay tuned. It's not done yet, but did some more steel work today. Looks a little better. Oh yeah. Wait till I get that wood glowing. Oh. Some of that just don't want to come out. I'll stain that in gloss. Look at that shine. Not bad. Still working on it though. And I'll put my clear coat and my new color. It's going to look nice. I'll fix that tonight. We'll bring the color back.